Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to set up a simple and easy Twitch community Discord server. So the reason why you want to do this is because you want to interact with your community and you can give updates of when you go live and all that. And also, Discord is a type of social media. Anyways, let's get started. First thing what you want to do is you want to click the plus and then click create my own. And then this is for like a community, so click that and then name it whatever you want. I'll just name this 雪花 community. Alright, so you can add your channels like Apex, Valorant, or also a self-promotion channel, voice channels. So you can add like music and then also gaming. So that is some things you can have. Also create a category like rules and info and then drag it. And then you can put your rules and you can also put like your announcements, right? So next what you want to do, make roles. So go into the server settings and then click roles. And then let's just create member role. And then color can be whatever you want. I'll have the color set to yellow. And then just make this into a member. And then you can add members to this role. Alright, and then let's create an admin role. Have the screen color, manager, skip this, and then put the admin above the member. And then for each of the permissions, you can do whatever you want, but make sure if you have the admin, please do not enable this. As it says, it is a dangerous permission to grant. So do not enable this. Alright. Now we are going to add bots to the server. So first bot add me6. Right. Add to Discord. Gotta sign in, so let me do that. Alright, now add it to your server. Alright, now me6 is in the server. So what you want to do is you want to go into the dashboard and then turn on moderator. And then just wait a while. And then you can do whatever you want with this. Like you can have like bad words like enabled. This is just up to you, whatever you want to do. So moderator roles, you can have that on as the admin and then save your changes like that. Next bot would be StreamCord. StreamCord is also another bot to use. This is when you go live and it pings that, oh, like you are live on Twitch. So add it to Discord. Alright. StreamCord is also in. Then you can go to the dashboard. Click on the server. And then notifications. Add a notification. And then streamer name. Let's just say it's Enco Twitch. And then you can say like hi at everyone. I am live on Twitch. And then you can put your Twitch link like that. And then go to here. And then it says post to. And then you can put it wherever you want. Let's just say announcements. And then you can add a notification just like that. And after that, keep going on like what other bots you want to add as well. You can also add Groovy bots and also invite the people to your Discord server by self-promoting it on other social media platforms, especially putting it in your Twitch panels. Anyways, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Follow my Twitch, which is 604 Corrupt. I stream Friday and Saturday at 7:30 p.m. Los Angeles time. Also, join my Discord server. The link is in the description below. Anyways, see you guys.